90% of traders are losing because they don't understand time. You're listening to people who use time words like this: fast, quick, rapid, or they use time with money. 10,000 in 2 minutes, 5,000 in 30 seconds, 2,000 in a second, 50,000 in 15 seconds. These are all time-based words and theories, and it's the reason why most traders are losing, because the only time word that any trader needs to focus on is patience. Let's go deeper. So I've been thinking about this for a while, especially in binary options. Time is so important. We're playing a time-based game. Binary options is actually a time-based trading game, because you're trying to say that you're predicting the direction of the market and how long it's going to take to get there, or how long it should move in a certain direction. You're saying, hey, I believe in the next 5 minutes the price of Tesla, is going to be higher. I believe in 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever you're trading, the price of Twitter is going to be lower. So in binary options, especially, we're playing a time-based game. But trading in general is very much time-based. And when you look at it that way, I truly believe it'll help you, because the trap of trading is people want you to believe it's easy money. People want you to believe it's quick money. People want you to believe it's fast money. And listen to those words: quick money, fast money. Now, easy ain't really time-based, but quick money, fast money, these are the traps that especially new traders fall into, because for whatever reason, I'm not going to say that. The reason is because that's what the market is telling you. But people look at a trading career differently than any other career. Like, right out the gate, it's going to take you 7 to 10 years to be a doctor, right? Or 6 years to be a lawyer or something. Or the college degree takes 4 to 5 years easily to become anything, right? To become anything. Then once you get on the job, those of us who are adults understand how the world works. Once you get on the job, a lot of times what you learned at school doesn't even matter. You learn the job on the job. And it may take you a couple years to get good at your job. A nurse, a good nurse, she's probably not good on day one of her nursing career, but give her 5 years in the game. See what I'm saying? And now she's teaching other new nurses how to be a great nurse. It's no different in trading. Chances are you're not going to pick trading up today and be successful tomorrow. Again, more time-based words. So, as I said in the intro, the key is patience. Have patience with your trading. Set realistic goals. For right out the gate, tell yourself, either I'm going to do this until, that's what I would say, I'm going to do this until, or at least say, I'm going to give this 2 to 4 years, just like an associate degree or a college degree or a bachelor's degree. I'm going to give it a good shot of 2 to 4 years. I'm not going to rush. I'm just going to learn. I'm going to dive in. I'm going to read every book I can get my hands on. I'm going to read every Merriam I can get my hands on. I'm going to take every course I can get my hands on. I'm going to go to every webinar I can log into to get better. That's how you should approach trading. And just take your time. Understand out the gate, I'm not here to lie to you. It's not going to happen overnight. It's not. So understand out the gate that you have to make a commitment to grow, to gain a new skill. I don't know any new skill that you just pick up and you're great at. It just doesn't happen. Now, I picked up golf, and the first day I went out, I hit a ball that was so sweet, but that was the only one I hit all day, right? I didn't get good that day, But hitting that one great shot made me fall in love with the game. Then I started playing every weekend, and I gradually got better and better and better. And I still suck because golf is hard. But my point is, you know, you can get into trading, see that you enjoy it, see that you love it, then you dig in, then you dig in and start to learn and just be patient because it's going to take time. And that patience doesn't just go into your learning. It translates directly into your trading because you have to be patient in the market. You have to be patient enough to compound your account. You have to be patient enough to wait for your setup, right? You have to be patient enough to wait for a good signal candle. You have to be patient enough to spot a market cycle play out and know where your setup is. All trading is about patience. Slow down. Everybody on the internet is trying to make you go faster, get the money fast, learn fast, do this quick. 5-second trade, 10-second trade, 30-second trade, 10,000. Man, this is nonsense, okay, people? All that stuff is nonsense. When I see thumbnails like that and titles, I don't even watch the video. I just keep going because it's nonsense. I would much rather just get solid, proven information and work every day to get better. That's all you want to do. So you guys are lucky because we have price action trading. So we don't have to go around and just look at a cajillion strategies. We know a strategy that works. We know a trading style that works, and that's price action trading. It's been around for years. It's nothing new. It's nothing I created. It's just something I've learned, and I can teach it to people and make it easier for them. That's it. So we have a benefit because we know price action is where it's at. So my advice to all of you is stop trying to get money fast. Stop trying to get money quick. Stop trying to become a successful trader overnight. Understand that it's going to take you time. Some people do it quicker than others, of course. Just like in school, some people can shoot through college in 4 years, 3 years. Some people take 10. It's just how it is. But as long as you finish, that's your journey. Hey, live your life, do what you do. You know what I'm saying? Only rate yourself against yourself. Always measure backwards. Hey, if you're a better trader today than you was last month, that's cool. You don't have to be a trader that's making $100,000 a month. Walk your journey. You know what I mean? As long as you are improving each and every month, hey, what more can you ask for, right? You're good. So again, we're blessed because we have price action trading. So just dive into price action trading, but take your time. Take your time on your trades. Take your time on your setups. Something else I want to point out, that trading plan that I just gave is time based because people don't realize. I did a little. I guess it wasn't a test. The other day I said, you know what? I'm gonna just remove all the restraints that I put on myself. I'm just gonna trade, man. I don't know. I'm just gonna take as many as I want to take today. I'm just going to, take whatever setup. I'm not gonna just focus on just one. I'm just gonna take any price action trader I see. I did that for a whole day. Man, so stressful. So stressful. I was up, way down, came back, way down, came back. Stressful. That's stressful trading. And that's what everybody's doing. That's what they're teaching you to do on a daily basis. Where my trading plan was like, hey, 2 trades a day, right? You know what that does? Immediately makes you be patient. Because you ain't taking no junk. All right? You're not taking a horrible setup. You're not taking a horrible trade when you got one shot at it, right? Because if you lose, that's it for the day. And if you take a dumb, terrible trade and then you got to sit there and mull over it all day long, it sucks. But it also helps your discipline. Because if you sit there and mull over it all day long and don't take another trade, you won. You were successful. I don't care that you lost the trade. If you had the discipline to not take another trade, you won. And people don't get that. People don't get that a losing day could actually be a win. But when you have a plan and you just follow the plan, if you followed the plan, you won. Okay? So that trading plan that I gave you the other day, if you took a loss and you set out the rest of the day and you didn't trade, you won that day. Okay? You won that day. If you keep following the plan, you'll see that man, okay, so for instance, I won today. So today I get to just mull over my wins all day, right? I hit the big number. Great. Hopefully I can do it again tomorrow, you know? But if I don't, as long as I only take that one loss, I still won. Because at the end of the month, if your wins are +3 and your losses are -1, and you have enough +3 days, in my case, I only need 12 out of 30 to make a fat profit. That's all you need. But that comes into, again, being patient and disciplined. So my trading plan forces you to be patient, because you ain't just gonna be taking anything when you only got, 2 shots. And you only get 2 shots if you win the first one. So that's you're gonna be patient and you're gonna take a good trade. Secondly, it's gonna increase your discipline. It's gonna help you build discipline, because every day you take that loss and gotta sit down and think about that trade, and you want to take another one so bad, but you don't. You built your discipline up. You increased your discipline. And people don't understand that. Everybody wants it fast. Everybody wants it easy. When really you need patience and discipline to have success in the marketplace. And my trading plan will help you do that. I put it in the last video. I'll put it in the description here again. People are downloading it. So, hey, that's great. I'm glad that people are seeing value in it. But get a solid trading plan. You don't have to use mine, but get a trading plan. Be patient. Grow your discipline. And you will start to improve. You will start to improve, right? And so, hey, that's the lesson for today. We're playing a time-based game. Stay away from words like quick, fast, rapid. And this ain't time-based, but I'm just gonna throw that in there. Easy. Scratch that. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be difficult. It's gonna take time. It's gonna take persistence. It's gonna take patience. It's gonna take discipline. It is. But if you bring it, it will reward you. It will. The benefit, though, of having the patience, building the discipline, it is going to reward you quite possibly. Well, not quite possibly. We're doing it. It's going to reward. I'm not finna use no. This is what I'm going to say. It's going to, if you figure out trading, because I'm in the same boat. I'm figuring it out. I'm getting better. I'm in the same situation. So I'm not saying it because I've already done it. I'm saying this because this is what I see. That it's going to reward us for the rest of our lives. You get that? When you learn how to trade profitably, consistently, nothing changes. You're going to start doing the same thing each and every day. It's going to get real boring, but that's like the rest of our life type deal. You see what I mean? So if you put 2 to 4 years in of learning and patience and discipline to be able to create wealth the rest of your life, that's what it's about. That's why we're doing this. That's why I've been doing this 15 years. And most of that I was losing. Okay? But I never gave up, because I understand that once it clicks, once you increase on the sudden, you have a way to provide for you, your family, your kids' kids for the rest of your life. And that's why it's worth doing. That's why trading is worth the investment of time, the investment of money, the investment of you diving in. Because if you make it, if you increase on the sudden, it's for life. Nobody can take that away from you. So, as always, we're going to do a trade example. Had a nice one today. Well, I'll tell you what, it was the double up, so it was nice to me, but it was close. But check it out. Looking at this McDonald's here, we can clearly see we had a beautiful trend up. This was 2 legs back, trend break, came back up, 2 legs up, basically a range. We ranged all the way through here, came down low again, then it came up strong, broke out the range. So this is just really 2 legs up to a new high. Last time we was in this area, boom, boom, boom. It likes dropping in this area. Okay. We are getting our high, push down. lower high. If it stays under the EMA and we get another red down, we should be coming to test here, here, and here. Here it comes. That is just not the type of signal candle that I take, although I see it work all the time. That was disappointing. Okay, here it is, McDonald's. Now you're showing me some strength. Turn down, 1, 2 legs back. Couldn't go higher. So this is actually like a high, high push down, lower high. It's coming lower again. We should be coming to test here, here, and here. Let's get it. Double up. We're in 5 minutes, expecting that we're coming to test this low here, here, and there. 5 minutes. Final candle. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this increased lesson today. I hope you enjoyed that trade. As always, check this video out right here to give you some more value. My name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sun. Bye-bye.